Over 10K in debt? Be debt-free in 24 to 48 months. Pay a fraction of what you owe. Call 877 blah blah blah. Credit card debt. Financially stressed out? Stop the harassment. Make one monthly payment that you can afford. Get help now and save. Call toll-free 888 blah blah blah. So, do these ads make it sound easy and too good to be true? Most of the time they are. So it's really important to find out which of the organizations is legitimate and the best one to help you out of your debt problems. So don't be fooled. There is a difference between debt settlement companies and a debt repayment plan. I'm Nancy Riegelsberger, and I am the financial and consumer educator for Cornell Cooperative Extension. And we are going to be hosting a workshop on September 3rd called Whose Hand is Helping to Lift You Out of Debt? It's at 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and we're going to be collaborating with Consumer Credit Counseling Services out of Rochester, who is also known as Rethinking Debt. And they're going to talk to us about the services that they have available that will help people deal with and work through any financial difficulties that you might have. So please look at our website, put knowledgetowork.org, and register for our Zoom virtual meeting and learn all the ins and outs of a legitimate company to help with debt.